Rain, my people, rain. Water more flow. Run out of rain.
Yo, why not run? Don't move, follow him.
Official morning of cherry picking, me people. Dragon, man, for days outside, man. Today, we have some cherry punch out to pop off this morning. See it? Yeah, man.
Nonchalant.
Yes, my people, you know, this morning is the official morning. Yeah, man, we are kick off the cherry season. Man, like rice growing out there. Because you know, see, cherry they are stone dog. So we out in our numbers, my people. We line up in the row. You know, come early, my people. So by the time we set out, yeah, man, we're ripe on the time.
Outside.
Up. Yeah, man, a couple of we well out here, you know, my people. Over 200 workers so far. And we have a couple more. We have over 100 odd more to come up today to weekend. So, you know, this year it's a good look for cherry. And also for we as Jamaicans for America, yeah, man. So, I want to say, man, we just make the best use of it, you know, and work smart. And always put safety first, my people. Yeah, man. Do not watch the next man who you see. I pick a lot of cherry, don't try to run him down. Because remember, it's all about experience at the end of the day. Yeah, man.
Good? Yeah, man.
One king. That is it. Yeah, exercise the cherry shoulder. Yeah, man, get fit. Yeah, man.
Yes, man, good look, you know? Yeah, they're fixing it, huh? Shaking up here. With you. Black suit. I need something that we can't make, you know, see how we. What do you know? You say this one, know how them are pick. What do you know?
Cherry, man.
Show them in that video. Show them in that video. Show the red pants, man.
Yo, what do you hear? Me and it are run go and go. Let me know you ready. Yo. You never seen a different color pants.
Why you like me pants? You like me pants?
Yeah, man, like him I got church.
I'm jeans, you know?
Jeans, and waistcoat.
Now come out now fully red because I'm dangerous.
I look like Miss Cherry, man.
Dangerous this.
Yes, my people. So we out. Yeah, man. First day of school, picking cherry. First day of the cherry season. The official season. Yeah, man. I talk about big cherry, my people. And then size I will talk about, you know, man. So I go on. Yeah, man. The size I boss like to see. Big. Some 8.5. And the row of my row, you know, so I have some nice cherry to pick. Yeah, man. But then when you just see them did red. Now them have the dark look, you know.
God knows you're Odane lifestyle, spearfishing. Just like, subscribe, and share. Keep up yourself.
We're down.
One fireman and a wolfman on the team. Yeah, man, them on the team that.
Where are my people? Where there? First official day, my people. Picking cherry. Yeah, man, but it's a rainy day, guys. So you know, cherry start officially today. And when it starts, you have no stopping until the season up. Yeah, man. George!
Upside, rain is falling, man.
Rain, guys, rain.
Yeah. You just have to leave it out there, eh?
Yeah, man, it's raining, my people. So we're heading home. Rain. Rain run away. Rain.
Rasta!
Rain, my people, rain. Water more flower.
So you got life turn them thing there?
Yeah, man. Weather. Run out, Tyrion.
Yo, why not run for? Don't move, Polly. Go.
It's a rainy day.
My boss. No, me can't run this. This is coming around for now.
Weather. Good morning, my people. So yesterday was a rainy day and we are back in the field with the helicopter blowing the cherry so we can be able to pick it. Yeah. See it? So the helicopter is blowing the cherry.
Yeah, go on.
People say, yes, and say George.
I feel the time I ever get down there. If you now go back. Somebody hear that boy? That's where we from one again.
So yes, my people, we complete the day, guys, and we never get fee run as much clip wanted to them people due to it was a task work to the guys. Yeah man, the boss give you a task work, group it up, you know, pour away to a group. Yeah man, we never get fee to run no clip to them people, because you know when it come down to the task, you know, you have to work to pay yourself. Yeah man, and it was always busy in the field with boss, and you know the thing go, we out here. Work done for the day, my people, so we are going to do, I do me know, you know, my people, you know. Big up butter. Up.
People stand up.
Me go.